Hello students, welcome. I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about the location and extent of our country India. Okay, so let's start. This is our beloved India country. India is the second largest populated country in the world. The current population of India is 138 crores in 2020. China's current population is 143 crores in 2020. 17.5% of world's population is in India. Now India is famous for spices in the world. Indian and Egyptian spices are known as world's best spices in taste. India is the land of spices and Indian spices are popularly known for their flavor and aroma. Out of 109 spices listed by ISO means what? International Standard Organization. Out of this 109, India produces around 75 spices in its various climatic regions. India is the world's largest producer, consumer and exporter of spices. So that's why India is most popular in the world for spices. India accounts for half of the global trading in spices. After the total trading, India contributes its half for its spices. Now, cricket is a popular sport here. All of you know that India is famous for the cricket. See here in this pie diagram, this shows to us world's population according to percentage. The first populated country in the world is China, second is India, then third US. Now see the location of India. The above part of equator is northern hemisphere and the below part of equator is southern hemisphere. The right of the prime meridian is eastern hemisphere and the left of the prime meridian is western hemisphere. So India lies in Asia continents. The location of Asia is northern and eastern hemisphere. So the location of our country India is also northern and eastern hemisphere. Now see the name of our country, Republic of India. Now republic means what? A country that has an elected government and an elected leader like president. So the head of the nation is elected person is the republic. Okay, so the name of our country is Republic of India. Now all of you know that the capital of India is New Delhi. So location, extent and boundaries we see here. We have already seen the India is located in northern and eastern hemisphere of the earth. It is located in the southern part of the Asian continent. So mainland latitudinal extent is here given to us 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Now longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Now see here in this map, the north to south length distance is 3214 kilometers and from west to east distance is 2933 kilometers. So latitudinal extent, latitudinal as well as longitudinal we have already seen in the last slide. Now standard time of India, 82 degree 30 minute east longitude is the standard time of our country India. So this line passing through the Mirzapur is located in Uttar Pradesh. So from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time difference of 2 hours. Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer line passes through India and it divides India into almost two half equal parts. So 23 degree and 30 minute north is the Tropic of Cancer. This passes through 8 states in India. First one is Rajasthan, then second Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. These are the states. Okay, see in this map, this Tropic of Cancer line passes through a state. First one is Gujarat, second is
Rajasthan, third one is Madhya Pradesh, fourth is Chhattisgarh, fifth is Jharkhand, sixth West Bengal, seventh Tripura, and last one is Mizoram.
Now some general information about our country India. The area of India is 32,87,263 square kilometers, 2.4% of total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. The population of our country is now the current population is 138 crore in 2020. Now see in this graph, the first number is Russia, second is Canada, third is USA, fourth is China, then Brazil,